To kick off our highly requested cream of asparagus soup, we're going to first cut our asparagus stalks in half. Next, we're going to put our oil into a pot, and once it heats up, we're going to add the cumin. After about 20 seconds, we're going to add the ginger, turmeric, and the black pepper. Next, we're going to put in all of the asparagus and saute it until it becomes tender. Now that our asparagus is nice and tender, we're adding it to a blender. After pouring in half of our vegetable broth, we're going to add in our almond flour. And then it's time to blend until it starts to resemble soup. Then add all of your mixture back into a pot. While it's heating up, we're going to add the remainder of the vegetable broth. We're going to add our salt and the palm sugar and wait for it to go to a boil. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, you can optionally add a thickening agent. In this case, we're going to use tapioca starch. And now it should be ready for you to eat. Enjoy!